Only Bataka me. But Jayden Chase, they have to make the fans them know what really are going.
What you talking about? Is Jayden place? See me up to the time, you know, a cartel. I represent for Jayden Chase. We spray them face on the AK rays. See me up to the time, you know, the Gaza station.
Relevant, need for make an album. That's my words to Movado. I dare you to make an album, bro.
You think he's just stirring it up to get attention, but he's not.
Yeah, man, move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, we no find the Gaza station. Welcome to the channel, Jayden Chase. And yes, we are bringing one another new and yes, exciting reasoning for the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I remind you now for click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and also leave a like, a comment, and yes, bust a shape on the vlog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, this is why they don't like Popcaan. Separate and apart from the fact that a Vibes Cartel put Popcaan onto dancehall music and tell the industry, say, what you know, this is the artist that the industry needs to give a listening ear. And Popcaan has done wonders with his opportunity. We can't say the same for the other. We can't say the same for the other ones. Then. None out of the other ones we can't say the same for. Now, Popcaan's statement is rooted in the truth. Vado is irrelevant to dancehall music. Him say first and foremost, he is not an inspiration to these new artists we have followed up. Him not have no project I put out, fam. Him not have no hit singles that drop, signed to a record label in North America, and nah do nothing. Recently, I see even DJ Khaled post, say, Pop Style and Grease. Certified gold at this point in time. Movado no give DJ Khaled certified nothing. No hit while signed to the label. So for Popcaan make a statement like this, him free for make that statement. Yeah. Him even go as far as to say, him not pre no beef with Vado. No, him is not a chef. Him not pre no beef with Vado. He's a dancehall artist. Him say him always willing to make the right moves for the dancehall genre. So him say if the right move is to say, what you know, same stage with an artist, you not have to do no feature with them. You just have to keep the thing on a level. Him say I'm willing to do that for the benefit of dancehall music. Opposition cannot say the same because statement like this is almost like when they mash them can. Them now gonna like them reason of viewers and subscribers. But the fact is what the fact is. Recently before this, Popcaan say, oh, this is them homework. Tell them to go achieve some awards. Tell them to go get some songs or some projects we are placed on some international charts. Them can't do it. Them not going to be able to do this with the music where them are put out. The music where them are put out is subpar. Not on the same level with the people who are doing it in the dancehall music. Truth be told, that one nation of dancehall music and we have no competition. We not have no competition. Speaking of loyalty, Vibes Cartel and Chanel Muir drop them track. Make sure you go check it out because you know there's something go. We are support Gaza Nation content. That is the new aim. We are supporting Gaza Nation content. Lovely song. I love the song. Chanel Muir definitely held her own. Managa, she held her own viewers and subscribers. Her sound, her cadence. No people are talking about flow. It's a cadence and lyrical content in this day and age that will carry music on an international level. People are talking about flow and now create no flow for them own. They might mimic or try to duplicate somebody else's flow. But you see, a cadence is rooted in the sound of your own voice. You can try to sound like another artist. Some people have tried to do that. But when you talk about originality, people always know and listen out for people who sound uniquely like themselves. She sound just like Chanel Muir. Chanel Muir sound like one other artist. And that is a good look. Teacher, definitely an artist that will be remembered not only for his own musical contribution to dancehall music, but just like how Bounty Killer said, one of his greatest achievements in dancehall music was putting Vibes Cartel onto dancehall music. And I said the same thing like a Vibes Cartel for Popcaan, saying this artist is the artist you must listen to. Not that maybe, you must listen to this artist. And Vibes Cartel's legacy will encompass not only his musical hits, but also the fact that him help out other artists. Big move in the game. Dancehall can't stall, and him not just a say it. Him actually put in the work with these big feature accreditations. Know what I mean? This are definitely a step where go take mama career to another level. Some people talk about them supporting, but what do they do to support you and your career? As a songwriter, an artist, a producer, a label owner, Vybz Kartel has used all of his powers to help out other artists. The teacher go as far as to say, yo, if you want me on the track or on the juggling with it, you have to add at least 3 or more of the artists when me I work with. The teacher take that initiative when him establish members of the Popcaan Empire. Him actually take that initiative. A good look. Extremely good look, viewers and subscribers. But love to see what I go on the music right now. The fact that the artists who actually do the work and are put in the work and put dancehall to a higher level are being acknowledged for their contributions. Is a reason why them ask Popcaan the statements with them ask Popcaan. Them ask him because one, he's a dancehall artist who do song already with Snoop and Mov. You know what I mean? At one point in time, some people even say, wait, Poppy a link with Mov, what kind of settings that? And people that say Ray. But him that says all on the settings of unity and Ray. And whether you agree with it, yes or no, him make him statements as an individual. Him of age. You know what I mean? You know the game saying dancehall music are Addy and most dancehall artists daddy. But Popcaan is of age and free for making own decisions. You know what I mean? But we can't say this for a fact. In a dancehall music, none of them. I remember Vybz Kartel, I won't say none of them. Vybz Kartel is of course above Popcaan status in a dancehall music. Me I say that. Whether you agree with me, yes or no, that are my personal statement. I'm not change it. Yes. But other than Vybz Kartel and a few others we are doing in the game, no other dancehall artists are on Popcaan level. That's the facts of the matter. No other dancehall artists currently they're on Poppy level. I mean, we are talking about the ones that will reside overseas. Move to be specific. Alcafish to be specific. We now call the other rest. They're on a level. We're going to stop setting things because some people are saying, well, when they present the information to us and they say this person and that person and call them in the same sentence, some people are get the reasoning twisted and I feel like we are comparing the artists. No, we are not comparing artists because your track record speaks for itself. And we need to put in the amount of years in the game. Remember, Popcaan in a dancehall for as long as we Vybz Kartel in a dancehall. So on that merit alone, and from the teacher start in career, he might put out hits. So on that basic merit alone, we're going to say this, no other dancehall artist currently, we are doing the game right now, can be compared to Vybz Kartel. Mov, I do it long before Popcaan, still hasn't achieved what Popcaan achieved out of dancehall music. And Mov get some of the biggest cosign, Jay-Z, DJ Khaled, just to name a few. Big super producer and big record label executive and big rap artist. Still, it no Galley Fest and nothing big. No hit singles. Give Khaled 2 singles recently. The 2 of them certified gold, not one. Both tracks sell over 500,000 copies. So altogether, the 2 of them gone platinum. In a sales we are talking about. Altogether, the 2 of them gone platinum. Got 500,000. 500,000 copies sold. Equal to 1 million copies sold. Drake can do it. You know what I mean? And with the cosign, Popcaan definitely do it as well. So we talk about make use of the opportunity. Some of them I feel like them probably just they want them green card. They just they want the ability if they can travel overseas. I don't feel like them have the love or the passion for the music. I don't feel like them have the love or the passion for the music. Them are enses, as the Popcaan point out. They are not real. They might look like what you expect because when them are Rastafarian. No, them are Rastafarian. Why? We're not gonna make them do that to Rasta. No. Them dreads up. Them are renter. I just see the locks on them say, I say, alright. It look Jamaican and Jamaican style that. Them attack patois. I say, alright. You know what I mean? Them on the dancehall. I say, alright, like that. No, them fake I insist them. You know what I mean? Them not inspire youths. Them not do nothing for the genre in particular. Big up Popcaan film statement and big up Popcaan film achievements them we get out of dancehall music. He never have to come with no gimmicks. He never have to try make no mischief. He never have to do none of that. He put in the work and it work. Talk to me in the comment section. Vice the one called Jayden Chase, the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative, and yes, I'm reminding you now. If you're new to the channel, new to the movement, just a pass through, but you like the reason, of course, you like the point of view, well, I'm suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon right after that and put it on all, and this is how you know we'll be doing the all fresh content as soon as fresh content is made available for you. Right as upon the platform, you know something go out, move settings fam. First and foremost, doing it. The like icon is in close proximity to the share icon. So drop a like on the blog and then share the vlog so people can see what I go on. Comment section open, never lock it. Be respectful and mindful of the guidelines though. But other than that, you know the something go. Yeah man, now move settings fam, I wanna need no ladder, and my sentiments for you and yours is gonna live, love and prosper until a reason again.